Below the psychological threshold is where you can play music. You could have music, and then you could insert or I can assure you, I'm not laughing at all.
What's that thing they're doing with these babies?
For psychopathology, no two of the same bipolar.
Instantaneousness. That's impulsivity. Distractibility is self.
So you have to have form and formless. I heard that you are also.
Are you nervous?
You gotta. I've never been told I have a cute nose.
This was a complete disaster, and I think it was extraordinary too.
We didn't even know if it recorded.
We're all pulsating. We're not dog chilling.
No, I'm not. I've watched your show for years.
It's pretty on the nose. Pretty so cool, you know?
I can assure you.
You don't have to.
Intuition or off the.
People say I have a cute nose.
Every day I shoot.
Sort of.
All the freaking caps.
My views are big to the theta or the show, which is
physical reality. To
I wish you would
kind of create a little equilibrium for or the beta to the.
You just feel like a.
Do it more.
I have five suede.
What's up? I feel you.
The same underwear from 3 weeks ago. Well, they just can't do anything.
Let me ask the question. A psychological approach.
you remember you have atletism or animism implementers.